Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to enable or set up kiosk mode on your Windows 10 laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and search for settings. Best result should come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. And now you want to select the accounts tile. And now on the left side, select family and other users. And then on the right, you want to go scroll down and you want to select where it says set up a kiosk, assigned access. This could be a digital sign, interactive display, or public browser, among other things. Go ahead and select that. And then select the Get Started button here, and then you go about creating that account and just follow through with the on-screen prompts, customizing it based on your preferences and your needs, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.